This was a very simple coordinate geometry question on an exam. It was October, November 2014. And the question is this. A is the point A, 2a minus 1, and B is the point 2a plus 4, 3a plus 9, where a is a constant. First question, find in terms of a the gradient of a line perpendicular to AB. And the second question is, given that the distance AB is square root of 260, find the possible values of A. You have a total of 7 points available for this question. Let's look at the first part. First, again, you need to get the gradient in terms of A, so your answer will have A in it. And the gradient is a line that is perpendicular to AB. So what does this recall of the lesson before? That you need to know the relationship between lines that are perpendicular to each other and how to get the gradient out of the coordinates of 2 points. So you first need to get the gradient of the line connecting A to B, the gradient of AB in terms of A, obviously, and then use the relationship of a line perpendicular, of the gradient of a line perpendicular to AB to get what you want. So first get the gradient of line AB in terms of A, substitute, and you'll have this minus this divided by this minus this. That's what I got over here. Get rid of the brackets and combine like terms, and eventually what you get is this. The gradient of the line AB is A plus 10 divided by A plus 4. This is not what you are being asked. What you are being asked is the gradient of a line perpendicular to this. So if you want that, you know that the product of that line by this is going to be minus 1, right? Which means that the gradient of the line that you want is going to be minus 1 divided by this, which is basically this fraction flipped around and multiplied by minus 1. So it's going to be A plus 4 divided by A plus 10 times minus 1, or minus A plus 4 over A plus 10. Second question, given that the distance AB is square root of 260, find the possible values of A. Here, you obviously have to use the equation for the distance between 2 points. You have to write it in terms of A. And this is what you get. It's going to be this minus this squared plus this minus this squared. Let's work this out first and simplify things. So I just, this is the sum of 2 squares. It's A plus 4 squared. And this is the sum of 2 squares also is A plus 10 squared. I just expand, and eventually what I get is this. Then I equal this to the square root of 260 that was provided in a question. I'll work this out, bring this to this side. This becomes minus 144. I divide the whole thing by 2. Then I can factorize this into these two terms, and I get the possible two values of A. One is minus 18, the other one is 4.